Okay, viewers, so now we are at East Legon Hills, close to Nanakrom. We are doing a gas piping for a client, and the apartment has 4 kitchen units. So we are starting with the 2 on the right side, and that's what my guys have started doing. Now we are laying the pipe now. So we just started with the first 2 on your right, and the next one will be on the left side. Okay, thank you. So we'll bring the total. When we are done with the installation, we'll send the videos to as well. And that's what's going on now. And that's our pipe. Remember, Excel, I told you we have the required gas piping material for all kind of gas works. So don't hesitate to call us. Even if the kitchen is about 10 or 20, we can run the whole kitchen unit with a correct gas piping material for you to have your safety in your home. So that's what we are doing now. We are doing a trunk in the surface plumbing, and that's the trunk. We are laying the pipe in the trunk, and that's what he's doing there. Thank you.